Freepik versus Leonardo AI. Which AI image generator is better? Explores how choosing the right AI tool can transform your creative workflow without sacrificing quality or speed. Both platforms offer unique strengths for image generation. Freepik and Leonardo AI are popular AI image generators with distinct approaches. Freepik focuses on vast, ready-made graphic resources enhanced by AI, while Leonardo AI emphasizes custom AI-driven image creation from scratch. The core difference lies in resource breadth versus creative flexibility. Freepik is a comprehensive platform offering millions of high-quality graphic resources, including vectors, photos, and illustrations, enhanced with AI-powered search and suggestions. It works by providing users access to an extensive library where AI helps surface relevant visuals quickly. Its strength lies in the vastness and diversity of content, making it ideal for designers needing fast access to ready assets. Freepik's AI assists in refining searches and recommending complementary graphics, streamlining the creative process. However, it is less focused on generating entirely new images from prompts, limiting customization options. Freepik suits users who want reliable, diverse graphic resources with AI-enhanced discoveries such as marketers, web designers, and content creators who prioritize speed and variety over full image generation. Leonardo AI is an advanced AI image generator designed to create unique images from user prompts using state-of-the-art generative models. It works by interpreting textual input and transforming it into highly detailed and customizable visuals. Its strength is in creative flexibility, allowing artists and creators to generate novel concepts tailored precisely to their needs. Leonardo AI supports fine-tuning and iterative refinement, enabling users to evolve images through multiple versions. However, it requires more input and experimentation, which can be time-consuming for users unfamiliar with AI art generation. It also lacks the extensive pre-made asset library that Freepik offers. Leonardo AI is ideal for digital artists, game developers, and creators who want full control over original image creation and are comfortable exploring AI-driven design processes. Comparing Freepik and Leonardo AI highlights a trade-off between resource availability and creative control. Freepik excels in providing instant access to a massive library of polished graphics, perfect for projects needing quick, reliable visuals without deep customization. Leonardo AI, on the other hand, shines when originality and tailored content are priorities, offering powerful generative capabilities to produce unique images from scratch. For example, a marketing team needing diverse stock images benefits from Freepik's breadth, while a game developer designing custom characters gains more from Leonardo AI's flexible generation. Freepik's limitation is less control over image uniqueness, whereas Leonardo AI requires more time and experimentation. Choosing depends on whether speed and variety or creativity and customization are more important for your project. Freepik is recommended for users who need a vast, easy-to-navigate graphic library with AI-enhanced search for fast, high-quality visual resources. Leonardo AI is best for creators seeking full control over original image creation with advanced AI generation capabilities. Both platforms serve distinct needs, so select based on whether you prioritize extensive ready assets or highly customizable, unique AI